So shall ye free a rahosam ni mo ya boy ransom for mu na Ghana ya mampani na na adodan kwa Akufo-Addo say won na ban no ne on beye bia keta se hye ne dwumudie on beto ase be yi na kwa wo maimu no won beye 2023 Ghana Bar Conference Association na won mu hye mudie ekoso Cape Coast na mampani de sansebi etuja
Omampeni Akufo-Addo ede atudwa se na aban no ebekoso akoatia eye ketahye ene proye wo kasa ewo Ghana Bar Conference bi a wo mo eye ewo Cape Coast wo de tudwa se ehihye ye ode gu akwan ma wo de koatia ketahye ene proye no enya ade a obesisa ne da aya na ebimu kasa se wo no de waye ne ho clearing agent a se ba ne ketahye ne proye o ma ho kwan ema emra no enya adwuma wo de tudwa se enya no krakra wo kire mu se ehihye ye ode gu akwan mu no eyade a wo hwese ketahye ne proye ebe brase enu ntinu omanfo enhwese womo ene ne be ya adwene.
None of the accountability institutions of state, including the new Office of Special Prosecutor, have ever indicated any pressure from the executive over their investigations. There are some who refuse to accept my method of proceeding and have characterized me as a clearing agent. Because for them, the mere allegation without more is enough to merit condemnation of the public official. For my part, I will not set aside due process in the fight against corruption, no matter how much opprobrium this incurs for me.
Osandi tudwa se ensembia omampani dada John Dramani Mahama enam ekachira omanfo se ono de se omanfo ema na akonya na se obedi omampani a obeye nsachiremu ewo ajagefo adwumadi a womo edi no na aban wei eye MPP aban no wode ne ho agigagefo adwuma a womo eye nin entinama prepare enkoso no wo kiremu se ensem ode betudwa no eyade a ehu pa.
Who has told the world that I have packed the courts with so-called MPP judges, and that one of the key purposes of a putative NDC victory in 2024 will be to enable him balance the courts with so-called NDC judges. Not only are these concepts of, quote, MPP and, quote, NDC judges new in our public discourse, they are also extremely dangerous and represent the most brazen attack on the independence of the judiciary by an allegedly responsible politician of the